Grabe, Leo. We made it.
Yeah, I
Oh my
made it.
gosh.
I run 10K. You did?
At ako 5K. And 3 a.m. pa lang, guys, no? Nandito na tayo sa Bridgetown because we have our first ever USANA PBA Fun Run.
There you go. And we just actually finished the fun run minutes ago. And, you know, people are still lining up, queuing up for the loot bags to get their medals and all. We have seen so many things in here today. And we are excited to share to all of you what happened this morning from like 3 o'clock in the morning down to it's like almost 8 o'clock in the morning now. And
balita ko, Leo, there were around 3,000 runners. That this is the biggest fun run that PBA has registered. And thanks to USANA, grabe sinuportahan ng ating USANA family. And of course, the media partners, the booth partners, and lahat ng bumubuo ng PBA Fun Run.
And of course, we would like to shout out first, of course, to all the men and women behind the preparation for all of this.
Yung branding natin, nakita nyo ba yan? Guys, no, talagang syempre, heavily branded ng USANA. And syempre, no, meron tayong mga sampling kanina.
We've got Nutri-Meal and we got samples of all other products. We even had like, you know, healthy activities that we did in our booth just right out there.
So congratulations sa lahat ng mga nag-run at nag-show up this morning. And there's no better way, no, to show everything that happened today but with this video.
Of course, to our Good Morning USANA family, it's our pleasure to present to you this very first PBA USANA Fun Run videos.
Director Scott.
Welcome to the much anticipated comeback of the PBA USANA Run. So today is really a very special day and we are grateful, we are happy that you are joining us today.
Good morning, USANA!
Hi, USANA family. We are here at Bridgetown Estate and currently having our first ever fun run in partnership with PBA. Right now, there are 4 kilometer distance categories that associates can participate, and we want to thank everyone who joined us.
Dito sa USANA PBA Fun Run. It was so fun. Thank you, USANA. Feeling ko ang dami naming kinunahan. Joke. 3, 2, 1, go! PBA USANA Fun Run. Sobra, ang daming freebies.
Yes, super sarap po talaga ng mga pinamigay nila dito freebies and gusto ka na talaga, nakatakbo ka pa.
What I love about USANA Fun Run, syempre, you get to bond with your family. And syempre, sa team namin. And syempre, bonus pa doon is we get to see our PBA idols.
The fun run was so fun. I enjoyed seeing all the pets here. I wish I brought my pet. Look at one of the pets here, oh. Seti, hey!
In behalf of USANA, we want to thank everyone who participated in this event and we look forward to the next fun run.
Good morning, everyone. We're now in Bridgetown for the first ever PBA Fun Run.
One of the things that I really enjoyed about the run are the freebies. Grabe, no? So especially the freebies from USANA. Good morning, USANA!
salamat po sa inyo lahat sa sumali ngayon sa fun run natin after 5 or 6 years. Record po tayo, lampas tayo ng 3,000.
First ever and more to come!
Grabe, ang saya dito! Woo!
Maraming salamat po sa inyo, pati sa mga sponsors na tumulong po dito sa ating fun run. Next year, magkita-kita po ulit tayo. Maraming salamat po.
We just want to thank our very generous sponsors for helping. The PBA Run is brought to us by USANA, the official nutritional supplement of the PBA.
Ang saya ng USANA PBA Fun Run!